Good morning students, English reader, class 6, section 2, The Great Dinosaur. Summary. There was a time when dinosaurs walked this earth, but then one day they disappeared. Many believe that their existence and disappearance is shrouded in mystery. For over 150 million years, the earth was dominated by some of the most extraordinary creatures that ever lived, the great reptiles, popularly known as the dinosaurs. The name dinosaurs, first introduced by zoologist Richard Owen, is Greek for terrible lizard. Though dinosaurs were vegetarians, the few flesh eaters were indeed terrible. So in the ancient times, dinosaurs walked on this earth, but one day suddenly something happened and they disappeared from the earth. And many of the scientists, they are doing their research on this project, and they are finding some of the possibilities, the reasons about their disappearance. Scientists have made several attempts to resolve the riddle. Then about 20 years ago, some very rare material, iridium, was found in rocks, about 65 million years old. Scientists now believe that the most likely origin of the iridium was outer space, and that it probably arrived as part of one or more large meteoroids which collided with Earth. With this effect, climatic changes occurred and it was very bad impact on our planet Earth. So many scientists, they are researching the reason behind the disappearance of dinosaurs, and one of the reasons they found that the rare material called iridium uh, founded in rocks, and because that iridium collided with earth, and the whole ecosystem of our planet earth was changed drastically, and because of this the whole environment was suffered very badly, and it affects very bad impact that dinosaurs disappeared forever. Word meaning: warm-blooded animals with backbones, mammals. The point or place where something begins. Origin: pieces of rock or metal that have fallen to the earth's surface. Meteorites. Taking small bites. Nibbling. Hitting with force on sudden contact. Striking. Hit by something while moving. Collided. Fill in the blanks. First, the name dinosaur was introduced by the zoologist Richard Owen. Second, the large meteorites that hit the earth contained a rare material called iridium. Third, most dinosaurs were dash, although there were flesh-eating ones too, vegetarians. Fourth, a large meteorite struck the earth about dash years ago and might have caused the extinction of dinosaurs, 65 million. Fifth, huge craters are formed when the meteorites hit the earth. Craters. Answer the questions. First A. What was so extraordinary about these creatures? These creatures were extraordinary as they were great reptiles popularly known as the dinosaurs. B. What happened to these creatures? These creatures walked this earth, but one day they disappeared as meteorite collided with earth, and that gives very bad effect to the earth and these creatures. Second, why can't scientists agree on one theory about the extinction of dinosaurs? The scientists did not agree because every fact, evidences were giving different answers. Scientists made several attempts to solve the riddle about the extinction of dinosaurs. Why is it so important to find the answer? It is so important to find the answer because it is crucial to understand the mechanics of evolution. Scientists around the world are undertaking extensive research on extinction. Everyone believes that a meteorite collided with Earth is the possibility in extinction of the dinosaurs. Third, what caused craters to form on Earth? A meteor crater formed on Earth. How did this event threaten life on Earth? This event threatened life by giving very bad impact on Earth, such as volcanic eruptions, climatic conditions, enormous amounts of rock and dust high into the atmosphere. Fourth, how did the lack of sunlight affect dinosaurs? The lack of sunlight affected dinosaurs for months, and it would have been rather like a permanent, extremely cold night. By the time the skies had cleared and the warmth and light from the sun shone through again, and it was too late for the dinosaurs. Homework. Name the zoologist who introduced the name dinosaur. What was the rare material that was found in rocks? What caused the earth to form the craters? List some possibilities that occur in the disappearance of the dinosaurs. So find these answers from your book and write it down in your copy. Thank you.